So now we're going to look at putting the mullions along the side of the glass tube. So I'm going to swap over to one of our elevations, and again, architecture, component, model in place. This time I'm just going to go for a generic model. Click OK. There we go. Actually, I need to be on one of the floor plans first of all, so that I can set the work plane as our created center line, and then open the view. And now I wish to create a sweep, sketch the path, click along these points as we did last time. Okay, that's the path sketched. Now I'm going to swap to the elevation by here to actually create the mullions. Okay, now you could do this in multiple elements if you want the mullions to be different. For this example, I'm just going to do a few and just show them there. So edit the profile, and I'm going to use the little rectangle tool maybe. We'll see how that goes. Okay, 65 by 25, that seems okay. And what I might do for this then is put another mullion down here at the angle, and just have that come across. Okay, I'll just join those together, and I think what I'll do here is just move it slightly as well, so it looks a bit more centered. But obviously you could do something a bit more accurate than what I'm just doing here. There we go. So now I'm going to draw another one up here. What size did I do that one? So that was 50 by 65, so I'll keep it the same size. And maybe just rotate that one slightly as well. Looks a little bit better. Okay, and those I will just use the mirror command and put them over there. Okay, and then we want the material of these. We don't want them to be glass, we want them to be some sort of metal. So I'll just have a look for aluminium. There we go. And I'll have them as that. And let's tick. And let's look at that in 3D. Oh, let's, there we go. Okay, so we can see now we have our mullions going around the full tunnel. So what's left now is just the up and over sections. So we'll do that in the next part of the video.